up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum Custom Mix series where we pick cool Rustoleum colors. We shoot pearls, flakes, even candies sometime over top to create cool new interesting colors and that you guys get to rate. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. I've got my fender prepped up behind me. The way we always do it is we shoot a Rustoleum color. Today it's going to be gloss black, and then an interesting pearl, a flake, a candy. Today is an Eye Candy Pigments Ultrashift pearl, guys. And if you've seen any of my Ultrashift videos with Eye Candy Pigments, they never disappoint. They shift a wide range of colors, and it's always best to spray them over a black base, because over a black base, any kind of pearl gets the biggest chance to shine. And that's what we're doing today. We're going to lay down some Rustoleum black, and then we'll get in to shoot some of this Ryu Dragon Eye Candy Pearl. It's a green to who knows what. So let's get into today's video, and let's put some paint on this fender. Alright guys, so I got my fender based in Rustoleum gloss black, so you know what time it is. Time for some crazy new pearl. I'm using this Finish One clear coat system today. I know in the past you guys probably seen me use Speedo Coat, and it's a great clear coat system as well. We're just trying something new, and I've already used this one time and it seems to work great. And just like Speedo Coat, mixes 4 to 1. 4 parts clear, 1 part medium hardener. And yeah, we're going to try some of this Ryu Dragon Ultrashift by Eye Candy Pigments. Man, this looks crazy. It looks like it's got greens to golds. I really don't know. You can never really be too sure with these Ultrashifts because they are all over the place when it comes to shifting capabilities. A lot of times they'll do 5, 6 different colors. As far as pigment load today goes, I'm going to try and get a good bit in here. This is just a sample pack. This is half a teaspoon, so I'm going to try and do probably about half a teaspoon into the mix. I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see the mix. Alright guys, so this is Ryu Dragon. Look at them greens to blues to gold, a little bit of everything. And this is what it looks like in the mix. Let's get to stirring and see what we get. Because these Ultrashifts, they never disappoint. I mean, it's the way they are. Wow, look at that. That is crazy, guys. It's got greens to blues to golds to, man, it's very reptilian, and I guess that's where it gets its name, Ryu Dragon, right? So Street Fighter meets Dragon on this one. Let's load up the V-bore gun and let's get the spraying. Alright guys, so I got some of this Ryu Dragon Ultrashift in the mix. This is my V-bore gun today. 1.4 tip. I shoot at 28 psi wide open trigger. If you decide to replicate the settings, feel free to. We're going to do a light coat first, make sure we don't get no reactions, and then 2 or 3 follow-up coats. This Ultrashift are pretty crazy when it comes to laying them down, and you'll see the change pretty quickly. So yeah, I'm going to put my mask on and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so Ryu Dragon Ultrashift. Now, I'm not going to lie, this one definitely took a bite out of me today. As you can see, there are paint blotches all over this one, but ultimately it does not take away from the color. My gun was spitting. That dragon took a big old bite out of me, and I was like, you know what? I'm not going to scrap this one. I'm going to show these guys real life situations. It happens sometimes, but regardless, it's a beautiful color. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so this is the spray out for today. Ryu Dragon Ultrashift over Rustoleum Gloss Black. Now, like I said, you saw firsthand, my gun started spitting during the second coat actually. This is 4 coats. You can even see some of the pattern in the spray out. I don't know if I had trash in my gun or what it was. It could have been anything. I'm gonna have to go back through it and clean it real good. And I started to scrap this whole experiment, but one, I didn't have much of the Ultrashift Pearl because it was just a sample set. And I was like, man, this is a pretty cool color. I don't want to just scrap it, and I want to show these guys real life situations. Stuff like this happens sometimes. Nobody's a perfect painter. We've all had issues. And, you know, obviously at the end of the day, this is just a test spray out. This is just for fun and to showcase you cool and interesting colors in case you decide to use them for your next project. So regardless of the spitting that the gun did, this is a really cool color, but it's not up to me. It's up to you guys as always. Rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. And if you want to spray with the Ryu Dragon on your next project, I am an affiliate with Eye Candy Pigments. Links will be in the description, or you can use WAW Candy, Wall Candy, or WAW Shop, Wall Shop at checkout, and get a small discount on your next eye candy order. So I enjoyed spraying this out nonetheless today. It's always fun to shoot, especially these ultra shifts, and see what we get. Had a real nice blue to green properties. And yeah, that's going to be it for me today, guys. If you want to buy the paint gun, the clear, anything you saw me use, links will be in the description for that as well. As seen on YouTube, takes you to my Amazon store where you can purchase everything there. We get a small kickback, but it don't cost you guys anything extra. And you get all the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else Amazon has to offer. I appreciate you for watching today. If you made it this far in the video, you like what I'm doing, seeing these crazy cool spray outs, please support the channel. Hit that subscribe button, ring that bell notification so you don't miss an episode. And yeah, that's going to be it for today. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next spray out.